are you?
Doing well. Gary, pleasure to meet you.
Lais.
We're gonna be doing a long bone ribeye steak, so a nice 34-ounce prime grade steak.
Ooh, nice.
And we're gonna be cooking it over a live wood fire. What we use is the actual charcoal itself, and then we put it in a chimney over fire, and then dump it on top, and then let it build naturally. It's very much of an organic fire process. All right, so once these coals are on fire and popping, just transfer them over to the actual coal bed. So as your fire's building, pull your steaks out and let them come to room temperature. The reasoning for that is you get more of a consistent cook.
Okay.
Thorough seasoning.
That's a lot of pepper.
A lot of it's gonna fall off, a lot of the flavor that you impart on the steak. You wanna try a shot at seasoning one of these?
Is this okay?
That works. So if some falls off, that's completely fine.
I think that's enough.
Yep, it's fine. Now
Right?
give it a pat. Gonna push it in there, right? Give the steak a flip.
Wait. You didn't do that one in yours. Did I put too much salt?
You might have been a little heavier handed than I was.
Yeah, sorry.
So I'm gonna take this one.
Oh,
Place
that
it
close.
right next to the fire. Violent, hot, dry heat. That's what you want with anything like this, especially with a high fat content steak. There you go, a little closer. Perfect. You feel like you got it too hot, cook it accordingly.
Looks burning.
Okay, just a little bit of fat. So after they've cooked a couple minutes like that,
Like that, like fire on
you want that
like
fire on them. You want to get that nice mark, that nice grill mark on them. All right, ready to dig in?
Yes, I am.
Perfect. I have this personalized engraved knife with your name on it from Council
Oh
Oak.
my God, are you serious?
Absolutely.
I have my own knife at home. That's so cool.
Well, we're gonna let you carve
Can
into
I-
this guy.
Me?
Absolutely, you got your own knife.
Okay. It is juicy.
Good.
So thank you, Gary, for taking the time. Thanks for everything, and I can't wait to try at home.
Of course.
Let's eat.